Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the selected file is not currently supported on your TV when you're trying to launch the film or something like that. So I just tweaked a few things, and now as you can see here the file is working and running. So let me jump on my PC and I will show you step by step what you need to do here in order to make it run, right? So yeah.
So guys, first I want to talk why your video is not working on TV. So basically there is two reasons. The first one is frame rate is higher than 30 FPS on your file that is not working, and another is the wrong video format. So usually TVs basically support AVI format, so maybe your video is MP4 or something like that. So simply you just need to convert it, right? So what you need to do here is to open a browser, then you just need to write VSDC and then to download VSDC on your computer. Don't worry about it, guys, it's 100% free and it works very good, right? So just go to download, go to video converter, and then not video converter, video editor, and then download for Windows or Mac. Right, and then once you have VSDC, open up, and then you need to just convert that particular file. So I will show you how you can do that here as well. Right, so don't worry about the upgrade. Then select a new project, then select import content, and then look for the content. Right, let's go to desktop and let's select this. And then press yes. On default it set up all the information, but if you don't, make sure that frame rate is less than basically 30 or less, and then resolution, you just need to open up that particular file. So this one, show more options, properties, and then as you can see here, frame rate is as you can see here. Let me open up again. Frame rate is 1280 times 720. So 1280 times 720. And on default, it should all the basically all the width and height should be automatically set up for you. But if don't, I just showed you where to find it, right? And then click finish here. Then you can select the here original quality. I like to go with the original quality, but for you it's up to you. You can try to 1080, for example. And then what you need to do here next, super important here, export project. Make sure you are on PC here, and then you just need to select to AVI, right? And then export project, hit continue, hit yes, save it to whatever you like. And once the project is exported for you, you just need to press show in folder, then just drag and drop that particular film, video, whatever you're trying to play on TV to your hard drive, and then just plug it on your TV and it will work for you, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button, subscribe for more. Take care, bye.